large Fortune 500 companies tend to top out at 40 to 50 years before they get acquired, broken up, or go bankrupt. And it's because very successful companies fall into these success traps. As we're moving into an increasingly digital economy, you need a whole different set of skills to be able to think about competition. Leading strategic growth and change is about how you think about strategy in dynamic and uncertain environments. So we have traditional lectures. We also have what we call a personal case, which everybody prepares in advance, and it's about some strategic issue that they're facing. 3 benefits of leading strategic growth and change. The biggest one is that you get to really understand what your assumptions are. The second benefit is that you really get to learn from a whole network of equally senior people from other organizations. The third one is that as you're working on your personal case, you really get to take the ideas in the course and apply them directly to something that's very practical and immediately actionable for you.